we have over here Mr. Shrinivas Joshi ji, President AOAC India section, and I would like to introduce him over here as the President sir is expert in food safety and quality testing arena, presently working at Waters India heading Food and Environment Market from April 2017. More than 22 years of experience in market development for the various range of analytical technologies, spectroscopy, chromatography, and mass spectrometry in various applications like pharmaceuticals, petrochemicals, research, academia, food and environmental markets. Since 2005, key focus on food testing, food safety and quality, food research, and environmental testing. Also, key member for various capacity building initiatives in food safety area focused on global food trade, food regulations governing analytical techniques, food safety applications, food quality, and food authenticity. Member of MRL, Harmonization for Pesticide Residues and Wet Drugs, EWG, FSSAI GOI 2013 to 14. Member Method Review Group FSSAI GOI from 2017. Member Global Food Safety Partnership World Bank from 2016 to 2019. President elected India section of AOAC International from 2018 to 2020. So I would request sir on screen to speak upon AOAC India section 2020 initiatives overview.
Good morning to all our dignitaries, our speakers, and all the participants in India and across the world. This conference is attended by participants right from Europe, like UK, Netherlands, Germany, as well as Middle East, India, South Asia, as well as Southeast Asia, like Singapore. So this conference is a truly global conference. So this conference will practically focus on food authenticity and food safety area. And in next few slides, let's have a look at India section of AOAC International's 2020 initiatives as well as accomplishments. So once again, welcome for the one-day virtual conference on food authenticity and food safety. This conference aims to bring together leading academic scientists, research and research scholars to exchange and share their experience and results on all aspects of the food adulteration and food safety, and provides a premier interdisciplinary platform for researchers, practitioners, educators to present and discuss the most recent innovations, trends, concerns, as well as practical challenges encountered and solutions adopted in the field of food authenticity and food safety. The conference focuses around the fighting global food crime with analytical chemistry, with a expert on in this area. Dr. Chris Elliott will be delivering this talk, followed by Dr. Lalita Gowda, then Dr. Bhaskar, and a sustainable food safety through the capacity building. This area of food safety capacity building talk will be delivered by Dr. Samuel Godfrey, and followed by uh, uh, Tom Sipet, as well as Dr. Kaushik Banerjee. So apart from this, in this conference, various authorities from AOAC International, as well as our technical partners, Abott Nutrition, the talks from the Abott Nutrition will be delivered in this conference. This conference is supported by Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. With this conference, we have a technical partnership with Abott Nutrition. Now let's look at India. Now let's look at India section of AOAC International. So AOAC, India section of AOAC International has emerged out of responsibility to foster analytical growth in India. We are committed to build the relationship, create a professional network with laboratories, organizations, educational institutes. We believe that strengthening India's analytical abilities will help to put Indian laboratories on the global map. And we basically focus the knowledge exchange program through annual conference, the theme conference, as well as multiple seminars, workshops, as well as we take up the projects like single lab validation, multi-lab validation. We aim to focus on laboratory capacity building and help increase diversity in analytical science area. So 2020, as everyone knows, so everyone is working remotely. So we were thinking what kind of initiatives, what kind of activities, and what we can accomplish during this time. So from, you can say, from March to till now, we have various initiatives and accomplishments. So India section of AOAC International has conducted somewhere around 18 plus webinars focused on various themes like measurement of uncertainty, good quality practices, food authenticity, residues and contaminants, microbiology, etc., etc. And most of these these webinars uh, have been attended by say for around 100 plus participants on an average, and to some of our webinars the participants were in the range of 450 to 500. And apart from this, we have focused on the training and capacity building in the area of GMOs, vitamin analysis, and understanding the global regulations. And we have taken few of the analytical projects, basically single lab validation and multi-lab validation. One of the major project this year, what we are focusing is regulated antibiotics in milk and milk products. This is as per the new FSSAI list of regulated antibiotics in milk and milk products. And this SLV and MLV will be focused on the SMPR 2018.010. And another project what is being in progress is melamine, cyanouric acid, and DCD in milk and milk products. And one project which we have already completed is a multi-element a multi-element method, basically for the Indian matrices. And this is an extension of the method of 2015.06. And as on today, the SLV is done, and we are in the process of conducting multi-lab validation. And we have, apart from this, we have some kind of a outreach program, what we call it as, apart from India, we are trying to connect with various countries in South Asia. So either it can be a Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka. And another key initiative what we are taking is proficiency testing. So the proficiency testing is basically focus that our national lab network will be the best in South Asia, helps us to build the national database, and helps exporters to get a reliable test certificate and accepted globally. So this is a whole purpose of conducting the proficiency testing, and proficiency testing are basically focused on uh, various target compounds and a mixture of various matrices. Now I want to quickly I want to quickly go through the AOAC's food authenticity method program. Although after this, Dr. Palmer Orlandi will throw more light on this, but I will just quickly give a overview on this. So AOAC's food authenticity method program focuses on identifying analytical tools to better allocate and characterize the intentional and economically motivated adulterations of food. The scope and objectives is basically survey the targeted list and survey the targeted testing scope, then identify methodologies, then analytical gaps and set priority for the AOAC standards, develop standards for the non-targeted testing, and develop acceptance criteria for the non-targeted testing methodology. So thank you.